Well, India's vending revolution is no longer just about snacks. From AI-powered kiosks and personal care items to autonomous retail inside offices and apartments, Dalchini is betting big on instant commerce. It's called Cinnamon. And on this edition of Big Business Bet, Dalchini Technologies, of course, co-founder Prerna Kalra shares if smart vending can scale profitably while taking on quick commerce giants in the race for convenience. Here's a report.
Probably grabbed a packet of chips, cold drink, or perhaps a 99 rupees meal from a smart vending machine, say in your education institute, metro station, office, or an apartment complex maybe. But who is behind this fast-growing vending commerce segment? On this edition of Big Business Bet, we speak with Ms. Prerna Kalra of Dalchini Technologies to understand how smart kiosks, AI, and instant retail are reshaping how Indian consumers shop and eat.
We have a target of 11,000 vending machines this year, but that is something that is easily achievable because we feel, and based on the data that we have, there are still about 20 lakh plus locations that we have identified that can be possible location for keeping these vending machines, because we are not just targeting the office goers, the corporate white collar workers, but we are targeting the entire workforce, be it MSME segment. Today, if I talk about in any industry, be it automobiles, pharma, right, consulting, textiles, in all of these industries, we find that there is a consumer need. People want quick commerce. Beyond food, the categories that we look into, definitely the first and most growing, fastest growing category is actually personal care products. Which includes beauty, hygiene, cosmetics, everything. These are growing because these are also last minute need that the consumer may have, right? You may be just out of your gym and you may want a spray of perfume. That's a need. Consumers are identifying that need and Dalchini is trying to fulfill that. You may be out of your sanitary napkins or panty liners, right? And you are in office. Well, how do you solve it? Dalchini is bringing that to you immediately. And for all these small needs, consumer is not willing to pay 20, 30 rupees or delivery cost just for one small unit that they want to buy. Our biggest growth in last year also came from tier 2 and tier 3 cities, right? And you would not even have heard of names of cities like Jharsuguda, Tikri, Sambalpur, Vapi, Kutch. We are even there at Bhuj at a wind plant which is about 5 kilometers from border, right? We are there in a refinery in Guwahati, right? We are there in a boys hostel in Kashipur in Uttarakhand, right? So if you look at the breadth of locations that we cater to today, right, I think we've already arrived in tier 2, tier 3 cities. The tier 2, tier 3 consumer is already demanding. I would say a lot of companies have asked us from countries like Africa, Pakistan, Middle East, right? They have already approached us looking at the kind of feedback, the kind of reviews that they hear about our product. And the way, and I would say one very important aspect of our business that we are able to offer 6 meals a day combination from our vending machine, right? We would want to go for an IPO once we are at 1,000 crore run rate, because that is what we have set as a target internally, that in next 2 to 3 years we achieve that run rate number and then plan for an IPO. Today about 35% of our vending machines are actually deployed in such factory complexes, MSME as a segment. They will never be going on work from home because they are the ones who work on the workshops, right? They need to be there at their offices, at their workplaces to be able to perform their duties, right? So I think, yes, a segment of them would go work from home. But what I see even then, right, that when people go for any such kind of work from home, right, even in corporate offices, the demand increases. Right? It may temporarily go up and down for 1 or 2 days, but the days when the consumers are there, it only increases the demands on those days.